Hello there my friends, it's my favourite time of year. It is time to put the crayfish traps in the water. A very exciting time, I'll be honest with you. It is running a little bit fast for me, the water, but we're going to find the deep part just upstream. We'll get it in, we'll let it soak for a couple of days and just see how the land lies. But I love me some crayfish. You know, it's a beautiful natural wild harvest, and I really want to do some special stuff with them this year. Last year I did that crayfish boil, but I think I want to get them on, well, I know I want to get them on the barbie, but first thing we've got to do is catch them. So let's have a look. Looking all right. Stream ain't looking too bad either. Right, let's get them in. Okay, so my bait of choice is cat food. There's my tags of the Environment Agency. So what we need to do then, it's all ready to go. So let's gently mosey into the depths. Now the last thing I want to be doing is dropping this camera and this gimbal. So I'm just watching where I'm going. It's common sense, baby. And I must remember to let go of the string and not the camera. I think we're going to go in there. Nice. Right up, hopefully just under that root system. So when I said it was flowing a little fast, I wasn't joking. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a bit of weight in there. I'm going to use one of these rocks and then get it in over the deep again. Truly is glorious here. So obviously I put that trap in. Like I said, the current's still a little bit too fast for me. So what I've done is I've tucked this one under this tree. Had quite a lot of success here last year, so that's one in. Like I said, you know, we're just gauging what the crack is at the moment. First time of the year, you know, water may be a little too cold still, but you've got to be in it to win it, baby. I'm going to try and get it in over there, I think. You can see that black hole just over there. Hopefully, if it ain't too deep, it's going in there. So that's both of my trap sets. It's now the waiting game. You never know. Here, crayfish. Here, come on. I'll keep you posted. What a beautiful day. Well, hello there my friends, we're back in the stream. Time to check those traps. There's my daughter, say hello, Rihanna. Bless her. Right, watching my steps again. You're going to rescue me if I fall in, babe? You're going to rescue me if I fall in? Right. Ah, charming. I'm going to flip the camera and we're going to haul. So, I'll be honest with you, I'm not expecting a lot. Like I said, when I put these in, I think the river was running, well, stream was running a little fast, calmed down a lot. I think it was still a little cold. Now I know a lot of people around the country, you know, they say, well, I put a pot in, I get hundreds. Well, good luck to you, fair play to you. But I fished this really well last year. Well, we've got 3. And exactly a feed, but we'll have a look. Always exciting, the first crayfish of the year. Let's untie it. Isn't it lovely, Wibs?
There's a rock in there.
Is there? There's a rock star in there.
Higher than monkeys. I hate you, but I'm high.
Okay then, so a lot of people ask, these are official traps, you get them online. Obviously, I've got permission to fish here of the Environment Agency. All of my traps have got the designated tag. And there they are. Oh, come on you little beauties. There you go. First crayfish of the season. Always an exciting time. Now, as you may or may not know, bring it into focus. It's messing with my cameraman. These are American signals. You can tell by the red underneath their claws, but we've only got 3. We need to catch some more, so it's rebait, get it back in the water, and I'll just take these home and munch on them. Beautiful.
Hello.
I absolutely love it down here. Beautiful, beautiful part of the country on the border of Hereford and Worcestershire. Some of you may know where it is. Some of you may not, but I ain't going to tell you. You too could have a hairstyle like me. Anyway, that's the pots rebaited, reset. Like I said, I think the water needs to raise in temperature a bit. Although we've had like a few weeks of really glorious weather, the temperature hasn't really risen in the water. And obviously I want it to slow down a bit, but that's not an excuse. We'll come back to this, the crayfish hunt of 2018. As they're going to get me some crayfish. Peace. Later, my friends.